Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix app stuck on loading screen on Ladder. So if your Ladder app is stuck on the loading screen on your iPhone, it's usually a login, a network or corrupted app data issue. So what I advise you to do at first is first close the app. So that's very effective. So to do that, you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app completely. So just to remove it. And then just find Ladder and retap or reopen it. Also guys, I really advise you to check your internet connection. So weak connection is the most common cause. You will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and even turn on the airplane mode, the option that you can find at the top of my screen and at yours as well. Turn it on, then off, and try opening a website to confirm the internet works or send a message on WhatsApp, even on Instagram, watch a video on YouTube. If it's slow, so the issue is going on because you have slow internet. Also guys, I really advise you to restart your iPhone so this clears temporary system bugs that can block loading, and check for the updates for the app. So just go to your Apple App Store, look for Ladder, find it and tap it, and then tap on updates if available, of course. If all of these workarounds doesn't work, you will need to go and reinstall the app. And to do that, find Ladder on your home screen on your iPhone, tap and hold it, and then go with remove app right here, the last option. Go back to your Apple App Store and then find the app and reinstall it. Also guys, you will need to check the login and account issues, so you will need to make sure that you are using the correct Apple ID and email, and if you recently changed password, try resetting it and avoid using VPNs while logging in. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.